Alright guys, so now we're going to go to the last step. We've taken scans, we've moved them from Trios to uLab. Now we're taking the plated files that we've saved from uLab on the desktop into Chitubox. And this is the program that tells the printer how to print. So there's a couple of icons there that you can go through and hover your mouse over that will tell you what's going on. There's the move icon, there's the rotate icon. The scale and the mirror icon you're not going to use, but they're there. Then you have the repair icon. I've not used that before, but you can give it a try if you've noticed something. These other things are like dig hole and whatnot. I'm not sure how to use all that. Hollow, we don't use hollow because the models will break. Auto layout, we don't need to use that either because it's automatically plated in the virtual plate in uLab. And these other buttons you can use if you're doing more advanced things, but there you go to the open file button. That's how you grab a file to be placed into Chitubox. There's the settings. Don't worry about the settings. I mess with that. Doc messes with that. So you go through and you select that add file button. Go down and grab the file you've been working on that's been exported from uLab into your saved folder on the desktop that says it's ready for the slicer. Good. And hit your print 1. And it's already been plated, so boom, ready to go. Now the nice thing having it automatically plated is you don't have to mess around with the models, making sure they're plated, meaning that they're having a solid contact on the build plate. The green color lets you know that the model is touching everything, the entire surface of the build plate. If you don't see that on an area, then you need to readjust the model and push it through down into the build plate where it'll change color to red, and that's okay. I have another video explaining that I'll upload. But for now, as long as everything is green, you're good to go. Then you go ahead and hit slice. And hit save. And save onto the desktop. And then from there, you can put that file onto your USB drive that will now plug into the printer. And you're ready to go. That's the workflow. And I like to clearly label each file, otherwise it gets pretty hairy. And then once you're done printing, go through and delete all these files off of the desktop and keep the desktop clean. Otherwise it'll slow the computer down and it starts to look confusing. And then it saves and you're done, ready to go. And that's it.